Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create a dynamic shadow effect in Canva. So first of all, we're gonna create by making a blank page such as any document type, and here is a blank page. So here we can just search like anything like a basketball, so we can put it here, make it smaller. So now we go to elements again, choose shadow. So we're gonna choose the shadow we want. Let's say it's this one. So we put it here. So we align it with the ball here. We make sure that the shadow is as big as the ball. So there we go. Or we can, if you want it moving, just go to landscape videos and copy these elements there. Just put a blank. So again, search for basketball. Make it smaller and put it in the middle. And search for shadow. So put it downstairs. Make it big. Like how big the ball is, that will do. Put the ball near the shadow. There we go. So that's for the first scene. There we go. So here is we're gonna add again uploads or anything, just blank. So this one, paste it here, paste it here, and this one, Command C, then paste it here as well. There we go. So here, what you wanna do, on this part, you're gonna want to put the ball on the top. Then here, the ball will be below. So now what we're gonna do is here, and we're gonna want to make transitions. So we go here, add a transition, match and move. And here. So now we have a transition of match and move. So we can just make the durations. So now we can see that it's moving. So now we have a dynamic here. We can see that we have an animation of a bouncing ball already. Afterwards, just put this there, make it smaller. There, it will look like this. Now we have a bouncing ball. So you would just want to add the same thing here and paste it on the other side. So here what you want to do in this time, put the ball back up, and you're gonna add another transition, match and move again for 2.5 or how many seconds maybe. So now it will look like something like this, bounce, and it will bounce again. So that's how you make a dynamic shadow effect in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching this video and off to the next one.